Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Myself Ashish, and today I'll be covering a video on shading puzzle called Yin Yang puzzle. So before going to the puzzle, we'll be seeing some tips and tricks that will help us to solve the puzzle faster. Followed by the puzzle, so the setter of the puzzle is Walker Anderson, and the puzzle has been taken from Puzzle Ramayana contest from Logic Masters India website. Walker Anderson is one of the top 10 solvers of the world, top 10 fast solvers of the world, and he creates very good puzzles too. So coming on to the puzzle, let us see what are the rules of the puzzle. There are very simple rules. So we have to divide the cell. We have to color the cell either with a white circle or a black circle. So each cell has to be either a black circle or a white circle, and all the white circles in the grid have to be connected to each other, as well as all the black circles have to be connected to each other. So if you have a white circle, so all the white circles in the grid have to be connected to each other. So you cannot have a white circle here and two black circles here, so which is making this white circle standard. Even the same thing, all the black circles of the grid have to be connected to each other, right? And one of the constraint is that you cannot have 2 into 2 groups of cell all white or all black, right? So this is never possible. You cannot have 2 into 2 groups of cells all black or all white, right? And coming on to these some tips that will help us to solve the puzzle faster is whenever at an edge, so this is the edge, right? The corner, the edge of the grid. So if at all you have two black circles anywhere at the edge, and in between you have a white circle. Let us suppose that you have two black circles at an edge anywhere. This black circle might be any here or here or here, anywhere, and you have a white circle in between them at an edge. The white circle is also at the edge. Then the opposite direction of the edge, not towards the white circle, but the opposite direction of the edge connecting both the black circles will all be black circles, will all be black. So I mean this, just a second. So I mean this logic. So whenever you have such cases, all these cells that are at an edge will be black circles, and we are not sure about these cells. So why is it the case? What happens when we don't apply this trick here? So let us suppose that in between uh, so in between you have a black circle here, right? A white circle here, I mean to say. So at any point of time, the rule says that all the white circles or all the black circles have to be connected to each other. And if this white circle connects to this white circle, anyway, let it be anyway, if this is the connection, then this black circle and this black circle are not connecting to each other. They get stranded. So this is one of the most useful tricks to start the puzzle. So most of the yin yang puzzles have this start. So you'll have two black circles and maybe a white circle here. So these two black circles, not towards the white circle but away from the white circle, will all be black. So this is the surety. As we have said, because if this is a white circle again in between, connecting these two white circles will stranded both of these groups of black circles, right? So this is one of the trick. So it is also applicable to two white circles and one black circle in between. So if this is the case, then the white circles meeting at the opposite direction towards the black circle will always be white. So all these circles will be circles will be white, and we are not sure about these cells yet, right? This will be while solving the puzzle, we will get to know while solving the puzzle. So this is one of the trick. The other trick is, you can never have a checkerboard pattern at anywhere in the grid, anywhere, be it at an edge or in the middle. you will never form two white circles diagonally and two black circles diagonally into group of cells. So this instance is never ever possible in yin yang puzzle. So why it is the case? Let us see. Now we know that all the white circles or all the black circles will connect to each other. If we connect this black circle anyway, if we connect this black circle to this black circle anyway, this white circle will get stranded in between, right? So maybe if I connect this way, this white circle will get stranded in between and cannot connect to other group of the white circles. So you can never have a checkerboard pattern in yin yang puzzle, never ever possible. This is one of the trick that helps us to solve the puzzle faster. One of the other tricks is I came across this trick while solving the yin yang puzzle, and if at all you come across such situations, right, you have two white circles and after leaving one of these cells you have one white circle and one black circle, or the reverse case, when you have two black circles and leaving two cells here, you have one white circle and one black circle. If you come across such situations in the yin yang puzzle, for the white here you can automatically mark this as black, and for the black here you can automatically mark this as white. Why is it the case? Let us see that. So what happens if I mark this as white, not black? Now as I said a trick earlier that you can never form a 2 into 2 group of cells as checkered board pattern. Now if you shade this cell as white circle, not to form a checkered board pattern, this cannot be a black circle, which makes this cell as a white circle and you form a 2 into 2 group of shaded cells, right? Same way for this instance, you can never have a black circle here. Now what happens if you have a black circle here? Not to form a checkered board pattern, you cannot have a white circle here which gives you a black circle and you form 2 into 2 group of all the circles either black or white, which is violating the rule. So this is a very helpful trick, very helpful, and whenever you come across this instance, this case, you can immediately mark this circle as white circle and this circle as black circle. So a simple method is one white circle will have another white circle near it and one black circle will have another black circle near it. So this is one of the trick. One more very rare trick I came across is this one. This one. So whenever you have such case, or maybe reverse way is this one. So whenever you have such cases, like you have this instance, this formation of white and black circles, or this formation of white and black circles, this circle will never be white and this circle will never be black. Why is it the case? Now what happens if this is white? So here if we have a black circle here, it forms a checkerboard pattern, right, which makes this circle as white circle. The same way if you have a black circle here, you form a checkerboard pattern, which means you will have a white circle here and you will form 2 into 2 group of circles all white. Same way if you have a black circle here, you will have black here too and here also, because you will restrict to form a 2 into 2 group of cells as a checkerboard pattern, and you will then form a 2 into 2 group of all cells either black or all white, which will again violate the rule. So these are the tricks that will help you to solve the puzzle very easily. And now let us see the puzzle. So the image you see here is the yin yang puzzle, and this puzzle was the setter of this puzzle is Walker Anderson, as I mentioned. So he is one of the top 10 solvers of the world at a very young age actually. And I'll give the link for the description in the description if you want to solve the puzzle yourself, the online interface link, and even the link to the contest page where you have many great puzzles by Walker Anderson. So do check out the contest page from logicmastersindia.com. And coming on to the puzzle, if you see the first trip what I said you is, you have all the black circles here, right? Now in such case, you know that there is no white circle at an edge now. At this point of time, you don't have any white circle here. So for example, if you have a white circle here, you can automatically mark all the other shaded cells, not these 4 cells, but as I said, these 2 black circles will move opposite and cover all the cells, opposite all the cells as black. So these all cells will be black. If at all we had a white circle there, if at all we had a white circle there, you would have this thing. So if at all you had a white circle here, leaving these all cells, all the other cells would be the opposite direction, all the other edges would be black circles, right? Not this one, this one, right? But in this case, if you see, there are no white circles in between, so we cannot continue the puzzle that way, right? So this puzzle has been made in such a way that you cannot start the puzzle easily, but it's a very tough puzzle, the highest pointer puzzle in the contest actually. Now let us see how we can start the puzzle. As I said you, one of the tricks, right? The instance what we had here, 2 black circles leaving 2 cells and 1 white circle and 1 black circle, right? So this will never be black. If this is black, this cannot either be white or this cannot be black also. So if it is white, you have 2 into 2 board of checkered pattern, and if you have a black, you have 2 into 2 group of cells all black. So this means that this is white. Let us see if we get any other logic here. This cannot be black, right? So if you have this black, you cannot have a white circle here because that will get standard and it will make it as a black, which will have 2 into 2 group of all shaded black, which means that this has to be white and this has to come out because we have to connect all the white circles in the grid. So this has to come out. And if you see, we cannot make this circle also black. What happens is, if you make this circle as black, all this area is a closed area now, which means that all these circles will be black circles. It cannot be white because if it is white, then it gets stranded in between and you cannot connect, you cannot come out of that area and connect to all other white circles, which means that all of these will be black and you form 2 into 2 group of circles black, right? So which means that this circle has to be white and this white circle has to come out this way. Now if you see, we are still not getting any concrete logic here, but we have again formed an instance of what of the trick that we have mentioned earlier, that I have mentioned earlier, is 2 white circle leaving 2 cells and 1 white and 1 black, which means that this circle has to be black, right? It cannot be white according to that trick which I explained. Now because of this black circle, we again form a instance here. What a great puzzle this is. If you see, that trick has helped us to solve this puzzle very easily. I mean to say, start the puzzle very easily. We haven't solved it yet, but if you see the start, that is, it has an amazing start, and without the trick this puzzle would be very hard, very very hard. So we again formed an instance here, which means that this circle has to be white. A white circle will have one white circle will have a white circle near to it. Now if you see, we are restricting this cell to form a checkerboard pattern. It cannot be a black circle, which makes it as a white circle. Now if you see, not to form a 2 into 2 group of all the cells white, we need to shade this cell as black, which means that this again a checkerboard pattern will help us to make this circle as black. Now we have formed a white circle here due to the 2 into 2 group of shaded cells black. It cannot be whole thing black. So we have formed a white circle here. What a great logic this has. All this logic just to get a white circle here, and after getting here, now we know that these cells cannot be, we are not sure of these cells, but all the other cells, these 2 black circles and all the other opposite cells will be black, right? Even this one. So what a great way to get just one white circle at the edge. What a great start to the puzzle. Now which gives us this circle as white, this cell is white because of 2 into 2 group of all shaded cells black, this also white, this as white, this as white, right? Which gives us this as black, and not to form a checkerboard pattern, this also as black, this will be white, and okay. So this group of white cells has to come out this way, right? And again, if you see, we have formed that instance here, that exact instance, that exact the way that has to be done, and which makes this circle as black. It cannot be white. We will form a checkerboard pattern or 2 into 2 group of all cells white, which makes this as black, and again this as white, not to form a checkered 2 into 2 group of shaded cells black, and not to form a checkerboard pattern, this becomes white. Again this becomes white, checkerboard pattern. Now because of these 2 into 2 cells of all cells black white, this has to be black. Now if you see, again this cannot be black now. These cells cannot be white now. This black cell has to be now, all of the edge has to be black cells now, because if it is white, this white group of area or any group of area white will connect to this white circle, and these two black cells will be stranded, which means that all of these cells would be white, I mean to say black, right? Which makes this as white circle, 2 into 2 group of cells black, this as white circle, which makes this as black circle, this as white circle, and this white circle has to come out this way, which makes this as black circle. Again if you see this area, this white area has to come out this way, right? What a great puzzle this is, really enjoying puzzle. Let us see where we can continue the puzzle. This has to be okay. Where do we solve now? Okay, sorry, I missed this instance here. So if you see this place, again that instance gives us this here white circle. So without this the puzzle would not be able to we would not be able to continue this puzzle, which makes this as black circle, this as white, and because of the checkerboard pattern, this as white, which gives you this as black. Again checkerboard pattern gives you this black, and 2 into 2 gives you a white here, and a checkerboard pattern gives you a white here. Again this gives you a black, a white, a black, and a white, and this has to be black again, checkerboard pattern. So if you see this area now, this area of white circle has to go out this way and again connect this way to the other parts of the this thing, and this white area has to connect to this way. We have completed the puzzle. So what an amazing puzzle this was. Not a direct solving, but we need to see that instance again and again and again and again to solve this puzzle. It was a wonderful puzzle. If you enjoyed the puzzle, do like and comment on the video if you want us to solve any other puzzle genre or a Sudoku variant, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.